stage Cape Coral Mayor Montessori.
Thank you. On behalf of our city government, city council, I want to say I'm such an honor to be here. I would now like to read the proclamation. Whereas our nation is honor-bound to join together on Memorial Day to remember the fallen heroes of our armed forces, and whereas every Memorial Day throughout the year, we honor and pray for the men and women in uniform who answered the call of duty and made the ultimate sacrifice to maintain the security of our country and the liberties we hold so dear. And whereas we also show our respect to the family members of those who have made the ultimate sacrifice while defending our great nation and our way of life. And whereas our grateful nation honors the selfless service of our armed forces, and we acknowledge a debt of honor owed to those who have given their lives to defend and preserve America and our freedom and our values and the ideals of democracy. And whereas it is important for us to honor the selfless sacrifice of all the men and women of the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, Coast Guard, and National Guard who died in service to our nation, and recognize that because of them, we continue to enjoy the freedoms we so deeply cherish. Now, therefore, I, Marty Sawicki, Mayor of the City of Cape Coral, do hereby proclaim May 25th as Memorial Day in the City of Cape Coral, and ask for all residents and visitors to recognize all who have made the ultimate sacrifice throughout the history of our great nation. I'd also like to mention that on March 2nd, City Council designated Cape Coral as a Purple Heart City. So you'll start to see the banners hanging along Cape Coral Parkway